If you also want to use the TI-84 Plus by graphical method, so the first step that we're going to do is, I already put the steps here. So we're going to press stat plot. And then from here, we're now going to input the values of our y's. So you have to take note that the subject here should always be y. Okay, so y is equal to something. So y is the subject. So we will just input the x minus 2 there. Our x is here, x, and then minus is here, and then 2. Since we have extra numbers here and variable, we're going to delete. Okay, so let's delete there. And then we will move on to the next. So I will just delete this one, or if not, you will clear. Click clear, and then everything will be cleared out. So we have in here the second equation, which is 3x plus 6. After we input the two equations, we are now going to trace. We're going to graph now. So as we can see, we have the graph here, there. But in here, we don't know exactly if this is really 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What if we have a decimal number here? So what we're going to do is that we're going to get the exact intersection of the two graphs for us to be able to know the value of x and y. So what we will do is press second and then trace, and then look for the intersect, because that is what we are looking for. We're going to look for the intersection and then enter. And then this is the cursor of the first curve or the first graph. So let's move this closer to the intersection. And then let's press enter. We have now the second curve. The second curve is here. So let's also move closer to the intersection. And then from here, we're going to find now the intersection, the exact intersection of these two graphs. Press enter, guess. Okay, press enter, and we have this. The intersection now is -4 and -6. Okay, that's how to graph.